Happy Halloween, everyone. Welcome back to the CEC channel. Instead of trick or treat, we've got tips and tricks for you. When I think of Halloween, I think of costumes, parties, and ghosts. And if you watch our video from last week, you would have seen that ghosts also appear in prints. And so today, we'll be talking about the phenomenon of ghost images in printing. A ghost image refers to an image or text appearing unintentionally on a printout. This image is a repeat of something that was printed previously. There are many reasons which cause ghost images to appear: media type, temperature, printing speeds, or perhaps hardware issues like drum cleanliness or fusing unit problems. For media types, plain paper or uncoated paper are less likely to cause ghosting because they offer good tonal adhesion, stable electrostatic discharge, and low surface reflectivity. Ghosting in digital printing is more likely to occur on transparent media, slippery paper, glossy paper, or heavier paper stocks, especially those that affect tonal transfer, fusing, or static discharge. To confirm whether the issue is image ghosting, measure the distance between the original image and the faint repeat. If the distance corresponds with one rotation of the machine's fusing belt, then the problem is ghosting. And to solve ghost images, we recommend changing media if possible. However, if not, try adjusting the temperature or printing speed first. Getting the right balance of fusing temperature, belt speed, and pressure is key. Ghosting can be solved by reducing the print speed from high to medium or from medium to low, and then gradually lowering the fusing temperature in steps of 5 degrees per adjustment. However, if that doesn't solve your problem, then your issue could be hardware related. These include worn out imaging drums, faulty transfer belts, or fusing units. If ghosting is caused by hardware issues, the best fix is to clean or replace worn out parts. These components can wear out or get dirty over time, which leaves behind faint images on the next page. Running regular maintenance and checking for toner buildup can help. And if a part is near the end of its life, then it's usually best to replace it. Staying on top of regular maintenance is the easiest way to prevent ghosting from coming back. That's it for today. I hope you found this content helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have questions or other printing challenges, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to help you get through them. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon. Happy Halloween!